Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to be showing you how to design a business card in Canva. Canva is a fantastic graphic design tool that makes it easy to create professional looking designs for any purpose. And designing a business card is no exception. Once you are logged into your Canva account, you will be presented with a dashboard that gives you access to a wide range of design templates, including business card. Now to find the right template for your business card, you need to go to the templates, and from here search for the business card. You can filter out your business card search results by adding the keywords like landscape, real estate, or a planning business card, just like it is showing here. So if you want the real estate business card, you can select this one, and vice versa. Let's go with this one. You can choose from a variety of pre-made templates, or you can start from scratch with a blank canvas by using this one. After choosing the right template, just click on it. And if you want to customize this, just click on customize this template. Canva makes it easy to change the colors, fonts, and other design elements to match your brand aesthetics. Now let's add the text or change the colors and the logo as well. If you want to edit the text, just double click on it. Again, if you want to change this one, just double click on it. Again, if you want to delete this or add your phone number, just double click on it. Just write your own number. And once you're done with this, let's move on to the email and the website as well. You can easily change this just by double click on it. And same goes with the business address as well. Now let's add your own logo. Just click on it and delete it. You can add your own logo just by clicking on upload and select your upload files. I'll be using the Canva logo just to show you how it looks like. Now let's change the colors of these one as well. You can also change the color of these icons. You can select all of these by holding the shift key and change its color, and just like that. Now let's move on to the second page and the back of the card. I'm going to select all of these by holding the shift key and click on delete. And here I'm going to add my logo and double click on it to add your own website address. And there you have it. And once you're happy with your design, you can simply click on file and click on download. And here you can select the PNG format for the pictures, or you can use this PDF print for the printing purpose. Let's go with this one. You can also add your crop marks and bleed marks as well. For now, let's go with this one. Click on download, and there you have it. Just click on it. And that's it. With Canva, designing a business card is quick, easy, and fun. Whether you are a small business owner or a freelancer, having a professional looking business card can help you make a great first impression with potential clients and customers. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.